The Dhow, a classic Swahili boat, is without doubt one of the images of the Kenyan coast. Similar to the gallet in Turkey and the sampan in Bali, the Dhow, which was once only used for sailing by wind but now also has an engine, has evolved from traditional means of work for fishermen with the advent of tourism into an evocative boat to experience an emotion that only the African Indian Ocean can provide. Towards the 19th century, Dhow routes created intricate loops of trade in gold and cotton, cultural exchange between migrants and merchants, and marriages that tied together people from distant lands. Indian Ocean cities and their citizens continue to reflect on the long duration of this cultural dynamism. Sailors have harnessed the Indian Ocean's monsoon winds for at least 2 millennia. The Swahili term Dhow encompasses a diversity of sailing ships from coastal fishing boats to ocean-going vessels. Dhows drew the cosmopolitan urban communities of Indian Ocean world together. The seasonal patterns of monsoons meant that sailors would stay in distant ports for months at a time. Wooden dhows at the Kenyan coast are mainly made by artisans from Lamu County.
They are made locally. And as for now, the only people who make these dhows are from Lamu. Because hiyo culture ilibaki huko na wao ndio wakawa kuna mafundi wa hizi boats, repairs, unaona. Sasa wengine wanatengeneza mpya na that's the only place. Kuna mafundi wingi but na mbao, kuna mbao nyingi ambazo zinatumika. It's not the normal wood ambao tunatumia, sijui mvule, sijui mahogany, I don't know, cypress. These are, kuna mbao zingine zinatoka Congo, kuna mbao zingine zinatoka Mozambique, kuna mbao zingine zinatoka Madagascar. So it depends on how you're going to transport those wood ama logs.
Sailing in a dhow requires a crew to assist in performing the different duties that need to be done simultaneously. Present-day dhows are also powered by engines which consume fuel. A fantastic reference dhow is now available in every coastal tourist area, allowing visitors to explore marine reserves, creeks, mangrove forests, islands, beaches that are inaccessible by land, and other frequently pristine paradises. With the advent of tourism that developed from customizing the dhow into an evocative boat, tourism at the coastal shores along the Indian Ocean has had great contributions from the dhow. Advents of the dhow recreation business such as the Aloha Creek Dhow take the customization further to the demands of a client. They adopt Swahili cultures in the refreshments they serve their clients depending on their preferences. For them, it's not just about the business side, but also ensuring the clients have fun, cultural interactions, and are fully satisfied throughout the sail. Dhows are powered by wind, controlled by the sail, which the sailors tie to the dhow using ropes at different positions to steer it differently.